Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, power steering, cruise control, fog lights, power windows, child safety locks, power brakes, electronic brake force distribution, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today. Mazda certified pre-owned vehicles provide you the peace of mind and confidence in the vehicle that you're driving. A thorough 160-point detailed inspection conducted by a Mazda certified technician ensures that the vehicle has been properly reviewed. Mazda certified means that you have a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, 12-month, 12,000-mile limited vehicle warranty, 0 deductible on covered repairs, and 24-hour emergency roadside assistance. Stop into your local Mazda dealer today and ask about Mazda's fantastic certified pre-owned program.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.